Hi guys, it's Vicky. Welcome to my first unboxing video. If you hear a strange deep humming noise, that's because my refrigerator is on the verge of exploding. So, I have my package here. It's not really a box, but unboxing videos are like a thing. So this package is from my sponsor, Kandybeads.com. Part of my sponsorship is that I get coupon codes for free supplies to get from them, which I was honestly stoked about because I want to know like what their products are like. I want to test them out if I'm going to be talking about them in my videos. We had like a slight issue in my order, but they handled it pretty well. So it took me 2 weeks to get my order, and that kind of sucked. But that's because the post office lost my first package. Yay. So after 7 days of us like, why hasn't the tracking been updated? What the heck? My contact at Kandi Family was just like, you know what? I think they lost it. Let me just send you another one. So I really appreciate their communication and their fast just handling it and sending me another one. That was really awesome. They also told me they wanted to send me something a little extra, just for the trouble of my first package being lost, and I was like, you know how women can be sometimes, we don't like to pick things and make decisions, so I was just like, oh, you know, if you want to throw something extra, just like surprise me. I love surprises, so let's see how this goes. And don't forget, Kandybeads.com is my sponsor, and if you use my code Vicky on their website, you can get 10% off and help support my channel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here we go. Opening carefully. I am far too delicate. Don't worry, I don't open my Christmas presents like this too. Okay, that part doesn't want to open. I guess I'll rip it. Okay. Ooh, there's things in here. Okay, we're looking for a packing slip. Ah, cute. Covering up our addresses though. But they sent me this cute note that says, thank you, Blur. It's really cute. Okay, it has a smiley face. And it has my receipt. Awesome. Okay, so we have a flyer for Kandi Family, which is, it says on here it's an app. So you can get it for Apple or Android, and from what they've explained to me, Kandi Family is like a way where you can connect with people that you've met at raves and traded candies with. And they told me, yes, they sent me some Kandi Family beads. I don't know exactly how these work though, but there's also their website, kandyfamily.com, as well. I'll have to test these out sometime, but there's supposedly a way that like if these are on the bracelet, you can somehow like encode them with your information from there, and then like go to this website and connect with other people on there. I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm going to find out because it sounds pretty dang cool. Well, the first thing I ordered was these pink beads because I freaking always need pink beads for some reason. And look at the packaging, it's so cute. It has a little Kandybeads.com little logo sticker on it. How many beads is in here? This has 300. I think this was only like $3, which is pretty competitive with the local stores around here, like Joann's and stuff, which is where I usually get them. And then here's some neon blue, which I also am highly in need of. And I can tell, like, there's only a couple different bead companies that like actually manufacture beads. I forget where these come from, but they're really nice. They're really shiny, and I freaking love them. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, these, oh my gosh. Okay, these are like these little rainbow spikes, and I have no idea what I'm gonna make with them, but hopefully, ooh, maybe I can put them on like a UFO cup or something. How many comes in here? There's 50. Yeah, that's enough to... They look, I want to touch them. They look fuzzy. Wait, they're not fuzzy. They're rubber. They just feel really soft. Okay, that's cool. There's no prices on my packing slip. I was hoping to have the prices handy for you guys. But their prices are all very low, and I find them very competitive with the local art stores. 2 of my beads packages got stuck together. Okay, the other thing I got is these sparkly balls. I did not expect them to be this big, and I am pleasantly surprised by that. Wow. I don't know what I want to use first, the rainbow spikes or these sparkly balls. Holy crap, they're so pretty. I'm like used to seeing sparkly balls that are like all silver, but these are like assorted colors and I love them. I feel like they'd be cute on like earrings, but they might be a little heavy. Oh my god, I love these. Okay, and it looks like this was my surprise that they threw in because my order got lost in the mail. And these are adorable. I don't know like which of these I want to use first because they're all like so cute. And like they're so happy to be here. Look at them. And the last thing I got, which I do want to look up the price for you guys on, is this string. It's just as amazing as I thought it would be. It's like this stretchy, it's called stretch elastic cord on their website, and it's like, oh, it's so great. It's 100 yards, but let me look at the price for y'all real quick. It looks like this string was $8 for the spool, and it's 100 yards of string. So for comparison, the string you usually see me using in my videos recently is this elastic sparkle cord from Walmart, and this is $4 and it's only 25 yards. So 25 yards for $4 or 100 yards for $8. This one's definitely much better of a price. And I also like that it's white, whereas the ones you can get at Walmart are only coming in these weird assorted colors. And I just feel weird when I use the colored string on a project where the color of the string doesn't really match with the theme color of the beads. And I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I like the white the white string a lot better. I love this so much. My ideal string. Thank you, candybeads.com, for having this string. You don't know how much this means to me. And let me look at the other prices real quick. Yeah, they're really good prices. So the bead packs of just a plain color pony beads, 300 of them, was only $2.30. And like a comparable package like this from Joann's is more like $3.50 or $4. So, and they never have the colors I want at Joann's. They never have this pink. And this pink is my favorite, and it makes me mad that they never have it. So, oh my gosh. Basically, guys, all the stuff that I did pay for with my coupon code, so that does exclude these 2 packs. This comes for free, and then these were free because of the inconvenience of my order being lost. So everything else I have here was only $20, including the $8 string. So really, really good competitive prices. I'm very happy. Even if I wasn't being sponsored by them, I'd be really excited. Definitely, like, if I needed bulk of these colors or bulk of this string, I know their favorite thing that they advertise about their website is their unique charms like these. But to me, the thing that means the most is the solid color pony beads that I really need bulk of, and the string is amazing. And hopefully I can figure out how this Kandi family stuff works and maybe show you guys later. I'm gonna touch these too. They look soft. Ooh. They're like almost like, they're not as soft as these. Like these are more smooth soft and these are like more catchy. Like a little bit sticky if you run your hand across them. And they seem like they'd be really good at bouncing. They're so squishy. What if I bounce it? Ah! Yes, they bounce rather well. Definitely loving. Thank you so much to candybeads.com for sponsoring me. Thank you guys so much for watching my very first unboxing candy supplies video. Let me know if you have any feedback for me on these types of videos. Don't forget to go check out my last tutorial for the X-Space cuff. I'm actually doing a giveaway of these candy goggles on that video, so go check it out. And until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.